Are you going to curl up in a ball now?
Miss Eve.
Look at your mama.
Evie. Hey, gorgeous. Look at how pretty you are. Hi, Hiccups. Hey, Hiccups. Just hanging out with Grandma, having hiccups.
So good. You are so good. Say, I'm such a good girl. I am such a good girl.
Miss Eve. Evie.
Say hello. Hello. Oops.
You sound like a squeak toy.
Yeah. So you're going to wave again? You're going to wave again? Say hello. Hello. Here I am. Here I am.
What you doing?
So what do we do now?